Bit moment. We just concluded the award ceremony of the BIZNOVATOR Journey Weekend, where we trained, taught, and certified 55 young leaders, social change agents, innovators of change, young entrepreneurs, all in the name of a journey that took them through the college prep workshop and the Journey Jumpstart. These guys are ready. Haiti is an amazing place. You get a little bit of this, or you get a little bit of that. What an amazing view here at the Observatory Restaurant, north of Port-au-Prince, an amazing place. We are definitely coming back. This May 10th, 11th and 12th, we're going to be running the BIZNOVATOR Discover and Transform workshop, this time with middle schoolers. And that's on a Saturday, May 11th and 12th. But on May 10th, we're getting back together and doing a follow-up piece with the students that just graduated, the high school teenagers that completed the BIZNOVATOR Journey Weekend. Again, you get a little bit of this, or in Haiti, you get a little bit of that. Check out the view. Visit BIZNOVATOR.com.